Want the classic Alt+Tab menu back on Windows 11? I'll show you how to restore it step by step for a familiar classic switcher experience. Open the search menu and type regedit to find the registry editor. Right-click on Registry Editor and select Run as Administrator. To create a backup, go to File Export. Name the file, suggested, use the current date, and set the export range to All. Save it in an easily accessible location. Navigate through the registry folders. Double-click HKey_current_user. Double-click Software. Double-click Microsoft. Double-click Windows. Double-click Current Version. Single-click on Explorer. In the right pane, right-click on a blank area, select New DuWord, 32-bit value. Name the new value Alt+Tab Settings, each word capitalized. Double-click on Alt+Tab Settings, set the value data to 1, and click OK. Close the registry editor and restart your computer. After restarting, pressing Alt+Tab should display the classic menu. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.